So is it like how the diamonds are made in the Earth's crust?
Absolutely. You can also mimic diamond formation up here on the top of the Earth.
So can you also make like different color diamonds and stuff?
So I'm a condensed matter physicist. So that means I'm interested in crystal structures and the properties of generally solid matter. So the stuff around us.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm interested in creating new forms of materials by applying super high pressures to materials in order to get them to transform into different structures.
Uh-huh. Okay. So is it like how the diamonds are made in the Earth's crust?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's probably the most famous example of high pressure synthesis, which is
Uh-huh.
kind of what I want to do, that people know.
Uh-huh.
So deep in the Earth's crust, diamonds are formed under a really long time. So they take like billions of years. It's a pretty slow process, with really high pressure and high temperatures. And if we're lucky enough and everything is just right, they get shot to the surface near a volcano vent and we can collect them. But with a similar high pressure and high temperature environment. So we can squeeze carbon atoms together and then we can apply a bit of heat and we magically get diamonds. And I do that for a range of different materials, but I also actually are super interested in diamonds.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So can you also make like different color diamonds and stuff?
So, in theory, you can make different colored diamonds, but I'm interested in making a different structure diamond. So, you're familiar with different structures of carbon. So you might remember in school you studied carbon, and you might remember graphite, the slippery stuff that's in our pencil. And
Yes.
it's so soft, we can just scrape it on a bit of paper and it comes off.
Yes.
That's what we're doing when we're writing with pencil. We're just squishing carbon onto a bit of paper.
Right.
Or we can make it super hard and transparent, like a diamond ring.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
they're two different structures of carbon.
Mm-hmm.
And what I do is I take the diamond structure and
Mm-hmm.
I squish that and change that, and we can get different arrangements of carbon atoms that are
Mm-hmm.
still bonded like carbon. So
Mm-hmm.
they still every carbon atom has four friends.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like fully coordinated.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but it has different properties than the diamond that we know. So it's sort of like trying to make a diamond version 2. So instead of having the hardness of say 100 gigapascals, which is how we measure hardness in traditional diamond, we can have a hardness of 150 gigapascals, which is a huge improvement if
Yeah.
we